Comes down the Sacramento Valley, and normally it would carry a rather large flow during the winter, 30 million acre feet. Sorry, 13,000 cubic feet per second. And then in the summer, it would flow down to 5,000 per second. But it doesn't do that anymore because we regulate the flow of the river with the big dams in Coralville and Lake Shasta. And so now we deliver the water at a more even rate. And the water is going by gravity all the way down here, no problemo. There are several canals that take out water from the river and apply it to fields. I don't know if you know this, but the Sacramento Valley is one of the largest rice producing regions in the world. It produces tons and tons and tons of rice, a good part of which is exported into Southeast Asia. Because it is so big and because it is so subject to the drought and the excessive rain that we have in California, the Sacramento River was a major flooding threat. The town of Sacramento was established. Every 10, 15 years they got wiped out because of the floods. The Sacramento continues a little past the freeway, and then it joins with the American River in downtown Sacramento. The American River was another of the big problems of Sacramento. The city is built at the confluence of both streams, and they would flood and they would be flooded. So, in the 40s, Folsom Dam was built to control the flow of the American River, and that helped a lot. And then in the 80s, they were trying to build another dam, Auburn Dam, to contribute to flood control, but that dam was not built. The only structure that protects the American River is Folsom. Here we really don't have any big structures in flood control because the river is so large and there's no place to put a dam. Big dams already have control. So instead we tackled the flood potential of the Sacramento with a divide and conquer strategy. And this is probably the main structure of that system. It's called the Yolo Bypass, Yolo for Yolo County. And basically you can see that here we have a levee, so the river cannot go over that distance. This is a significant cut in the levees. We eliminated the levee completely here, and so when the water rises another 10, 15 feet, it will naturally flow into that channel, and in a moment we can cross the road and see where it goes. But basically it goes into a very broad agricultural area, and there are very few houses there. Maybe the farmer lives there, maybe not, but we figured that if something is going to flood, let's flood the agricultural area. We can always take those folks out and reimburse them or help them to rehabilitate. It's a lot easier than having to do that type of work with Sacramento. The other big structure we're going to see or the other big takeout as we cross through Jefferson Boulevard, we're going to see the beginning of the deep water channel. So we take all this flow and split it. Approximately 2/3 goes into a deep water channel. It's straight, the water moves really fast through it, and the other third continues in the pattern of the Sacramento River, meandering path. And that's what we're going to look at a later time. Eventually, everything comes together near Rio Vista. So by the time we get into Rio Vista, we're going to see the full flow of the river. That it is very substantial. So far it has worked well. This is kind of a passive structure. Doesn't have any gates or anything on it.
Is it the only one in California? That's nice.
I think they do the same thing with somewhere up there in Eureka, right? In which they basically have this very broad floodway, and that has been reserved for agriculture. So before it hits the town. Come on, girl. Come on. And whenever the bypass is active, that becomes the water. There's of course high pressure, urban pressure built in this area, but fortunately the bypass was established way back then. Year, mid-50s would be. This would not do any good. You would have most of that the corridor that goes toward Placerville and Tahoe. That would be flooded, but the water put it back. Which is one of the reasons why the Bureau of Reclamation was really interested in building the open, so that if one failed, the other one would be there. They did great geology and